Bible land and thought of what it said. Alice thought about the shepherd and the star that showed up
Kinukuha ko na.
about the wise men.
Bilang ako natin na meron na. Ayan o.
Video yan. Alice thought about the newborn king and the angel's song of glory and found she knew the meaning of the wondrous Christmas story. On Christmas morn, when Alice woke, she raced down to the tree and sang the special song of praise for all her family. Glory to our God on high, glory to our King. Praise Him like the angels. Let our happy voice ring. Glory to our God above, who so loves everyone. He gave the world a gift of God, Jesus Christ, His Son. Glory to our God of love, this joyous Christmas morn, and happy birthday, Jesus, on this day that you were born. Finish na! Finish na ba, baby?